Support for the Arkansas PBS Writers Contest is provided by the June Hose Williams Endowment.
Hello, my name is Charlotte, and I'm going into 4th grade. I like writing because it's fun, and the title of my book is Samy the Salamander. Once there was a salamander named Samy who liked bikes. One day he bought a motorcycle. He took it out for a test ride. Samy did backflips. It was cool. He liked ramping too. Yee-haw! Sometimes Samy got a little banged up. He called his mom from the hospital to tell her the news. Hi, Mom. Hi. And his bike broke too, but Samy did not give up. He had a plan. So he ordered some parts. There was a grin on his face when the mail truck came. He started building. It took him all day. And then he was back to ramping again. The end.